Hi dears, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back again. Hope you all doing good. Today's recipe is one of my favorite biryani recipe. There are so many ways a biryani is made across the world. In this video, I'm sharing very tasty and tender mutton dum biryani. Hope you'd like it. Let's begin. For this recipe, I am taking 4 medium-sized onion, 5 to 6 green chillies, 2 medium-sized tomatoes, a piece of ginger and 1 whole garlic. First, let's begin with caramelized onion. For that, I am slicing 2 medium-sized onion. In a pan, heat some oil. Adding 2 sliced onion, fry them evenly until golden brown. It's perfect, take it out. In the same pan, add some cashews and raisins, roast it and take it out. Chop the onion, tomatoes, coriander and mint leaves. Grind ginger and garlic. Today I am taking 1.5 kg mutton with bone. Cut it into medium pieces. Add it into a pressure cooker. Adding half of the ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon red chilli powder, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon biryani masala, adding half of the fried onion, crush and add. Two slitted green chillies, salt and 1/4 cup of water. Mix it well combined and pressure cook it for 2 to 3 whistles. Meanwhile, let's soak the rice. I'm taking 5 cups Basmati rice. Wash it well and soak for 20 to 30 minutes and set aside. Let's make the rice. In a heated pot, add 2 to 3 tablespoons ghee, then add whole spices, 2 bay leaves, a cinnamon stick, 4 to 5 cardamoms, 4 to 5 cloves, 6 to 7 pepper. Then pour 7.5 cups water. For 1 cup rice, add 1.5 cups of water. Add some salt, cover and boil the water.
See,
our mutton is perfectly cooked. When the water is boiled, add soaked rice and check the salt. Cook for 20 minutes on medium flame or till the water fully evaporates. Let's make the mutton gravy while the rice is cooked. Heat the pot, adding 2 to 3 tablespoons ghee and 2 tablespoons sunflower oil. Add whole spices, 2 bay leaves, 2 cinnamon sticks, 5 to 6 cardamoms, 5 to 6 cloves, 6 to 7 pepper and 1 star anise. Saute for a minute. Then add 2 sliced onions. Saute well till you get a nice golden color. Mix the rice very gently. Add remaining ginger garlic paste. Saute until the raw smell is gone. Adding 3 green chillies and 2 chopped tomatoes. Cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Smash it and add a handful of chopped mint leaves and coriander leaves and mix it together. Goes in half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder and 1 teaspoon red chilli powder and saute for a minute. Then add cooked mutton and mix it well combined. Adding a cup of curd, again mix it. Finally, add 1 teaspoon garam masala, mix it and cook until the gravy thickens. Separate half of the gravy for layering. Now add the half of the cooked rice on top of the gravy. Spread it evenly. Next layer, add mutton gravy. Sprinkle some fried onion and some chopped coriander leaves. The next layer, add remaining rice. Sprinkle half a teaspoon garam masala, remaining fried onion, chopped coriander leaves, fried cashews and raisins. Add some ghee for flavor. Pour 1/4 cup saffron milk and squeeze half of the lemon. Cover it well with a silver foil or kitchen cloth. Cover with a lid. Heat a oil tawa or pan. Place the biryani pot over the pan. Lower the flame and cook for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, turn off the flame and allow to rest for 15 minutes. And our tasty and aromatic mutton dum biryani is ready. Serve this hot biryani with raita. Biryani is a classic dish made by layering rice over slow cooked mutton gravy. Do try out and let me know your lovely feedback. That's all for today. Hope you'll enjoy it. Do like and share among with your friends and families. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more new updates. Follow my Instagram page, link in my description below. This is Shafana. See you in another video. Until then, stay safe, stay happy. Thank you.